Hi guys, this is Rita the blogger. So guys, it looks like we have our own Lamar and Drake in Venda, our own Casper Nyovest and AKA in Venda. So do you guys know this lady, Makhadzi? I'm sure you do, right? Yeah. And also, do you know this lady again, Cyria the community? I'm sure some of you do, right? Yes. So a few weeks ago, Makhadzi made a post. So Makhadzi made a post and said that she does love. Let me put it here so that you can see it for yourself. She does love working with Venda artists, but the problem is that they don't know how to sing. And Cyria was one of the artists that we mentioned. So that status did not sit well with Cyria, but Makhadzi did come and apologize and said that she had given somebody else's password. So somebody was handling her Facebook account at that time, and the person wanted to, it was just a PR for her upcoming album. So she apologized, but that did not sit well with Cyria. So here is what Cyria said. So Cyria responded, here is the response. She responded by saying that Makhadzi is jealous of upcoming artists. She don't want to see others succeeding. She's as big as she is, but she still wants to look down at others and she wants to suppress them and stuff like that. Here is the the open letter. I will show it here, right? So after that, on the 1st of August, we had a lineup, Parapara FM lineup, where Makhadzi was not happy with how her name was written. Let me show it here. Here is it. Here it is. Makhadzi was not happy with the name. She was not happy with how her name was written. But to be honest, everybody could see that when we were searching her name, we had to search. Even a picture, it was not that clear. Like we expected to see a big, bold picture, also a big, bold letters for her name. But it was not as bold as we expected. We had to search her. And then we found out, I was like, she's not as, okay, it's fine. As long as she's there, as long as this year there won't be any drama. But most people realize that no, this is wrong. As much as I saw that the letters were not bold enough and the pictures were not bold enough, big enough, others also saw that the names is not as bold as it should. So Makhadzi made another post. Here is the post. She was complaining, saying that her name is not proper and they are undermining her. So they should, she won't even come if they don't rectify their mistakes, stuff like that. She complained. And she said the font was not as big as she would want, and they are disrespecting her name, and she won't tolerate disrespect from Venda people. She would expect Venda to uplift her because this is her hometown, so she cannot be respected outside, but here in Venda we disrespect her like that, which was, I felt like it was understandable because, you know, she did a live and it was clear. What she was talking about was clear than the post that we posted before she could go on live. I understood her. I really did understand her. So now Cyria went and made a banger font. The song is a banger. It is, the guy she's singing with can sing. You know, he can sing. The song is no, we must say it was a banger. It was a banger. Then now yesterday, Makhadzi released a song which is beefing Cyria. Talking about how her body looks like Oros, how she's like Moshe from Takalani Sisame. It is so funny. But you know, this is the background that I know of their beef. I don't know if they have other underlying issues, maybe offline. I don't know, right? But I feel like, you know, this beef can benefit them. Look at Casper and AKA. Those two people were relevant up until AKA died. Casper and AKA were relevant, and if we are honest with ourselves right now, you can see that Casper is no longer that relevant compared to when AKA was still alive. It was easy for Casper to fill up domes, to fill up stadiums, because people wanted to spite AKA and stuff like that. So it was a competition that was maybe it was not healthy for them, but for the game, it was a healthy one. It was doing something for the game. But right now, you can see hip hop is no longer popping like it used to be when AKA was here and when Casper was busy beefing with AKA. So I'm thinking, if Cyria and Makhadzi could take their beef to another level, guys, I'm telling you, if they can take their beef to another level and make music while beefing and entertain us while beefing, I'm just glad that in the previous years, people would just take Makhadzi's side only and not stand with Cyria. But right now, as we can see, there are others who are siding with Cyria, there are others who are siding with Makhadzi, which is a good and balanced beef, which can benefit them in the long run. Look at Lamar and Drake. They made so much music. They made so much money while beefing each other. So I feel like if Cyria and Makhadzi take this to another level, I'm telling you, they will forever be relevant. They will be relevant in the Venda community. They will always be relevant because of the beef. And somebody like Cyria would be taken to another level because we must be honest with ourselves. Makhadzi is big. Makhadzi is big. She's an international artist. So Cyria is an upcoming. So this beef could benefit Cyria as well. It would benefit Cyria in more ways than one. Right. That's my 2 cents about this beef, guys. Bye.